Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Heidi, and on this video I want to talk about fragrances that I like to use during hot summer weather when I freshen up during the day, because oftentimes, especially on hot summer days, I will take a shower twice a day. And so I wanted to share my favorite fragrances that I like to use when it's hot. And yeah, I want to freshen up and smell and feel fresh and clean throughout the day. Starting off, I'm going to start with body mist. Now these are not the same as perfumes, they are not as strong as perfumes, so I am very liberal with these. I've already talked about these two. This one is Moroccan Oil Fragrance Mist, and this one is Rio de Janeiro number 60H G Rosa Fragrance Mist as well. And both of these are body splashes that are safe to use not only all over the body but also the hair. So I really love these, like getting out of the shower and spraying this all over, and I just smell good and feel good throughout the day. Another mist or body splash, which is a classic, and these two will never be out, like I would always have these, are the Janet. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. I have been corrected several times on my YouTube video, so you guys know more on how to pronounce this, but this is just a simple classic. I absolutely love it. My mom is responsible for putting me on to this body splash because she would use this on me right after giving me a shower. She would spray me with this as well, and I would always feel like really fresh and luxurious. And yeah, so I absolutely love this. Like this, I just go crazy with this and just spray it all over, and it just smells really nice. Another body splash is 4711. This is another classic that this one is, men can also use this as well. I've seen some men use this as like an aftershave as well, but this is also another classic. Now this is a little bit more on the citrusy side. I know there's some people that don't like citrus as much, so but yeah, these two are more citrusy, like fresh citrus, lime, orange. Yeah, it leans more towards that. So yeah, and these two fragrances, body splashes, are more on the floral side, and these are more citrusy. If I don't feel like using a body splash, I would just use a perfume. And one of the perfumes that I really like when it's hot in summer and I just want to feel fresh and clean is my newest purchase, Blanc. Like this is super like fresh and clean, but yet it has that warmth and comforting smell of the white musk, and I absolutely love this. This is perfect for hot weather. And yeah, another perfume that I like is the Pure Poison by Dior. This is a floral, it's a really nice floral. It has a little bit of fruitiness to it, and it's just really good for hot summer. It's just really fun, florally, girly, and playful for hot summer weather. And then last but definitely not least, this is Chance and Fresh, and this is like the green one because they have several different variations of Chance, and this one is the fresh one. And this one, it's so beautiful. It has like that signature Chanel fragrance to it, but it also has like this green, like fresh cut grass and florals and Chanel all mixed into this bottle. Like, it's really nice, and I think it's absolutely perfect as well to freshen up during the day when it's hot and summery. Those are my go-to fragrances that I like to use when I want to freshen up, and it doesn't necessarily have to be like hot and summer out. Just whenever I want to feel like fresh and clean and have that fresh and clean smell to me, I like to go towards those fragrances. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye!